Hey, it's Monica, your beach hopping buddy, and today I'm thrilled to take you along on another incredible beach escapade. Are you ready for some sun, sand, and surf? Let's dive in. I'm standing on the edge of this magnificent beach, and I can't help but be in awe of its sheer grandeur. The golden sand stretches for miles, inviting me to kick off my shoes and feel the soft grains between my toes. The rhythmic sound of crashing waves instantly relaxes me, as if the ocean itself is whispering, "Welcome home." The water here is a striking shade of sapphire blue, crystal clear and inviting. It's the kind of water that beckons you to take a refreshing dip or ride the waves on a surfboard. Whether you're a seasoned surfer or a novice adventurer, this beach offers the perfect playground for aquatic fun. As I take a leisurely walk along the shoreline, I can't help but admire the natural beauty that surrounds me. Towering cliffs rise majestically, providing a stunning backdrop to the pristine beach. The lush greenery and colorful wildflowers add a touch of vibrancy, making this place a feast for the eyes. This beach is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts. Keep an eye out for playful dolphins dancing in the waves or pelicans gracefully gliding above the water, ready to dive for their next meal. If you're lucky, you might even spot a majestic whale breaching in the distance, a sight that will leave you in awe. But this beach is not just about sun and surf. It's also a place of serenity and reflection. Find a secluded spot, breathe in the salty air, and let the stress melt away. This is where you can reconnect with yourself, rejuvenate your spirit, and find solace in the beauty of nature. If you're enjoying this virtual beach adventure, I kindly ask you to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button.